Good morning, everyone. So AI is everywhere. I think, I believe all of us create a lot of AI workload back into the data center. We even don't know about that. So AI is everywhere. So AI has diverse application in a wide range of the environment. This type of application are the core of the accelerated computing. Okay, this is nothing to do with China, US, but you know. So actually, the largest cloud service provider from China to US have already embraced the usage of accelerated computing for a while. They have deployed, actually already deployed a lot of GPU, of course, CPU, traditional, right? And the FPGA, and also even the specialized ASIC. So we have seen, like Mike just mentioned, we have worked with so many different customers, cloud CSP. We have seen a very strong demand on the acceleration computing platform. Okay. So how QCT enable the AI? Okay, we have long experience working with technology leaders like Intel, NVIDIA, Broadcom, and so forth. And also we have internally, today, most of our business still focused on the hardware, right? But internally we have AI team with a couple AI scientists. And also we provide a full line of product line for accelerated computing. Okay. This expertise allows us to deliver the most innovation hardware technology to enable customers to run their high complexity AI model and the diverse applications. So I would like to share one. I think that there's also a public information. Actually, the world's first AI supercomputing from NVIDIA, DGX-1. Actually, that's from us. Okay. Okay. QCT offers wide spectrum of accelerating computing platform suitable for every need. So from the scale up high performance training servers to scale out inference servers for AI. This one integrated with 16 GPU with NVIDIA's latest HGX-2 module, which has 8 GPU. So I would like to take this opportunity to introduce two of our product portfolio. The first one is I just mentioned. This is for training. This is a very high performance training machine. The performance, this is a 16 GPU. Okay. The performance, this one has through the high performance NVIDIA NVLink switch. The scalability is pretty good. So this is 2 times the performance of the 8 GPU server. So the performance scalability is 100%. Okay. Okay, the next one is for scale-out inference. This is a 2U chassis, which integrates with a slate. And this is a very flexible design. We provide different SKU of the slate, from pure CPU, one CPU with one GPU, one FPGA, or one CPU with two GPU, two FPGA. So this is because I just mentioned, the AI has a device application, right? So even the inference, they have a different workload on different application. So this one is very easy, very flexible to configure. So you can just use a traditional 86 to perform the inference, which today still a lot of people doing that using 86 CPU. So you can just configure as 8 nodes for a single circuit CPU. Or you can have 8 nodes with one CPU and one accelerator, either GPU or FPGA. And also you can configure as 4 nodes with CPU ratio to accelerator is 1:2. So this is a very, very flexible architecture. So a lot of our customers show their interest in. Okay. Okay, let's talk about the RSD rack scale design. Okay, today actually some of the data center, they don't have efficient utilization rate because different growth rate on compute, storage, network switch. So for some data center, especially for those data centers run diverse application, their utilization rate is not good enough. So the disaggregation can help the data center efficiency. Okay. So using the resource pool, we can compose hardware resources to come up with workload optimized configuration to maximize the efficiency of the data center. Okay, here is our position. Like Mike just highlighted, we have 3S integration. So this is one of our RSD rack configuration. So we provide a complete RSD solution with compute, storage, network switch, even the new NVMe storage, and also the GPU and the FPGA enclosure. Let me give you one more expertise of our RSD. Because we have our own managing switch, so I'm not sure how many people are familiar with RSD. So PSME, that's one of the software stack of RSD. So we integrate the PSME into our managed switch. So our managed switch can perform the rack management. I think that this is a very, very good innovation. So that's our position because we have 3S integration. Okay. And I think because of the different workload, this is especially for the more crucial for 5G, for the upcoming 5G era, because diverse application. So we have seen many telco customers show their interest in. I know we work with Intel on that. So a lot of telco customers show their interest in the RSD. So let's talk about software on the ISD. So QSM Premium is our software tool to manage the rack. So QSM Premium is a user interface dashboard interface, which allows the ability to compose, manage, maintain resources at the click of one button, including the deployment of software image and the container cloud, such as Kubernetes. This interface gives system operators increased agility to respond to application demand immediately and seamlessly. Okay, so this software is very, very crucial. So as a more business focus on the hardware, this is a key part to enable the hardware. So we worked with Intel for more than 3 years. So we invest a lot of software resources to come out this tool. Today, I think we on the show floor we have live demo. I really encourage all of you to take a look at that. You will be very impressive. I'm very proud of my team on this product. Okay. Oh, this is an example of the UI. You will see this in more detail in the demo. Okay, lastly, here at the Q.synergy, I'm also proud to introduce our latest building block for ISD. This is a NVMe pool, NVMe over Fabric. We worked with Broadcom on this for quite a long time. So I'm very proud to announce this product. I also encourage you guys to take a look at that. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you.